Let's take it outside right now because so far so good. The rain's been manageable, light to moderate. We can take that. This is how it looks from a Fairmont Austin camera there, looking off to the east with a cloudy sky and some wet weather around. Widespread rain, not non-stop rain. We've had some little breaks here and there from the rain, but everyone's had rain here today. You can see the areas not getting it as much now are in the hill country, but into the metro, the rain gaps are filling in. Our eastern counties have fairly widespread rain. So as I turn the high resolution mode on radar, you can see the greens are the light rain. Start seeing some of those yellows showing up, oranges and even reds. Then you start transitioning to more of the heavier rain. And there's some concern, especially, let me go back, just to the south of us, there's much heavier rain that may try to lift north later this evening and tonight, upping the rain amounts. That in itself would be a good thing, but it could come down a little too quickly all at once, especially in the urban areas of the 35 corridor where we're not able to absorb the rain as much. So if it can stay light to moderate, we'll be okay. But if we can get some of that heavier rain to jog north, then we may have some at least minor flooding concerns here tonight. So our computer models, this one doing a pretty good job so far, keeps the rain light to moderate through this evening. The concerns start to happen overnight into Tuesday morning, where we may get a cluster of heavier rain that could produce 1 or 2 inches per hour as it moves through. May not last too long, but it would certainly jog our rainfall totals up. Does look like the most widespread of rain of the day tomorrow is going to happen in the morning, and then it starts to taper off to at least lower coverage of rain tomorrow afternoon into the evening. I think the higher rainfall amounts will be in the metro east tomorrow, and then the lower rainfall coverage will be in the hill country, where it's not going to be quite as widespread. Then into Wednesday, a few leftover showers. We may be able to sneak in a stray thunderstorm later in the day, but Wednesday does not look nearly as wet. So you can see how those rain chances are highest early in the morning tomorrow at 6 a.m., still elevated at 8 and 10, and then the coverage starts to drop as we head later into the day. So a wet start to the day tomorrow. Now, many of you have already had rain on KXAN.com under the rainfall total section. You can see how much you've had. This is how much additional rain I expect that we get on top of everything that you've already had now. So that's for this evening through the day tomorrow. So another 1/4 inch to 1 inch for the hill country, the northern metro, and Milam County. It's this area right here from the vast majority of the Austin metro into our eastern counties where I think we'll get some additional, potentially higher rainfall totals of 1 to 2 inches. But there could be some isolated 2 to 4 inch amounts, especially portions of Caldwell and southern Hayes County. I think maybe at most risk for that in the near term anyway. So we'll be watching that. I think we could handle 1 to 2 if it comes over a few hours. If it comes too quickly or we get the 2 to 4, we could get some localized flash flooding. So 90% rain coverage tonight, overnight lows of 57. Rain coverage drops to 80% here tomorrow. Still most of us see additional rain. Highs only in the 60s here tomorrow. And then as the sun comes out Wednesday, we jump into the 80s, lower rainfall totals and chances at 30%, and just a 10% rain chance Thursday and Friday with a mix of sun and clouds. Rain chances never 0 on any day here over the next week. Still 10% Saturday. In fact, those chances go up slightly here on Sunday and Monday to 20%.